What is happening in Maharashtra? Another case of sexual assault has surfaced, and from a school. This is while people in Thane, specifically in Badlapur, are already protesting over alleged sexual assault of two little children. Now, Akola is where the focus has come in. A teacher allegedly has molested 6 students in a school. Basically, and this is very disturbing, I want to give you a description, but it is important for the parents to become more aware on this. The teacher allegedly showed pornography videos to young students and then started to molest them and touch them inappropriately. These are 8th standard students, and this went on for over 4 months. These are the allegations that have come in. The teacher has been taken into custody, but 6 students sharing pornography videos first and then tried to inappropriately touch them. Let's first listen in to the police officials and what they have to say, and also more teachers and more activists who are speaking on it.
घटना है वो जो लड़की थी जो बालिका है, उन्होंने CWC के जो टोल फ्री नंबर है उस पर कॉल करके बताया था कि उनको थोड़ा सा हरासमेंट है। तो वो जो CWC के जो मेंबर है उन्होंने जाके वहाँ पे विजिट किया। विजिट करने के बाद में उन्होंने बताया, उसके हिसाब से उनको कॉल आके हमने अपना पुलिस पथक वहाँ पे भेजा, आरोपी को ताबे में लिया और जो लड़कियां है उनका स्टेटमेंट लेके उनका FIR दाखिल कर लिया है और आरोपी को अटक करने की प्रोसेस शुरू है।
जब बदलापुर होता है, कलकत्ता होता है, पुणे होता है तो कुछ नहीं होता है, तो मैं भी करके क्यों ना देखूं। इसीलिए होता है, कहीं भी पुलिस का धाक, प्रशासन का पकड़ किसी चीज पे नहीं है। महिला का रिस्पेक्ट ये बिल्कुल भी ऑप्शन नहीं है, ये मैंडेटरी है। ये शिक्षक को निलंबित करना चाहिए। वो स्कूल में जो भी हेडमास्टर है, जो भी लोग है, जो ये खुली आंख से देख रहे थे, पोक्सो के अंतर्गत उनके ऊपर गुनाह दाखिल होना चाहिए।
I want to bring in my colleague Vidya, because Vidya has been reporting one on what's happening in Badlapur, where 2 kindergarten students have been allegedly sexually assaulted by a staff member who was recently hired. And then comes in this case from Akola. Vidya, what are you picking up on this? Because this is after all a teacher, and such a respectful Guru Shishya Parampara that we have had being violated in such a manner.
Well, in fact, when you look at such kind of cases, this is where even courts have been stating as to how the role of a teacher is the most important for the young children, and when someone does such kind of demonizing act, then that really shouldn't be spared. And the courts have also held a very strict view when it comes to such incidences, and do not really let go of accused very soon. They are not really granted bail, as in other cases that we have seen that in few months only in sexual harassment cases many accused get bail. But because of this kind of stature that the teacher holds in the society, that the courts generally do not really let go of, don't take a lenient view, and the accused sometimes have to spend months and years in prison. But certainly in this case, as we have seen, the police did act, unlike in the Badlapur incident, where the police had not really acted immediately. In the Akola incident, the police did take the right steps in the right way immediately, and that's one of the reasons this case was immediately registered and action was taken against the accused. That's one of the reasons why we really don't see a protest really happening in Akola, which had really happened in Badlapur when the parents and the relatives of the children had expressed their disappointment and their frustration when it came to registering the FIR. The basics of a case where the police was not even registering FIR, was taking a very lenient view, was not really, showing any urgency in trying to arrest the accused. Because remember, this incident in Badlapur had happened on August 12 and August 13, a Monday and a Tuesday of last week. And the accused was arrested on 17th while he was available, right there working in the police in the school. That's one of the reasons.
Basically, a lot of questions need to be asked with regard to as much for law and order, but also at a society level, and what is leading men, even teachers or trusted staff members, to indulge in these actions, and what can be done to stop it.